love my truck. I love it because I go down the road and everyone has to smile when they see it. And it's just so fun during these troubled times to bring a smile to someone's face. It's a 1948 Ford F1. You can see right here, F1. And it took 4 trucks to make this because I put a king cab on it. So we went around the country and we found 4 trucks and we put this all together. And it was really wonderful for a while, and I just really have enjoyed it. Well, I extended the cab because when my husband was alive, we fostered children. We had 59 children. I know. Well, we had up to 8 at one time, so it was only controlled chaos. But there was a lot of love in the house, and we decided to put the king cab in there so we could bring the children in the truck also, because there's really not much room inside these old trucks. Viper red. Oh, I look good in red. I love red. It's vibrant, it's beautiful, and it just makes people sit up and notice. It's a 4-wheel drive truck, and it's a 350 engine. Interior is all custom leather interior, and they did the headliners and the visors and everything. I have some beautiful piping. It's a camel color with a red piping that matches the exterior, so I sort of brought the exterior to the interior.
So how long have you had the truck?
I've had it probably about 12 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So how long was it in the process of getting rebuilt?
12 years.
Oh, whoa. So is this the first time it's been out?
No, I finished it about 2 years ago after my husband passed. It wasn't quite done, but I was going to sell it, and then I decided that no one wanted to buy it when it's not done. So I completed it and was going to put it on the market, and now I just love it because everyone just waves, and that sort of fits in with my personality. I love to wave back and bring smiles to everyone, so I just am going to keep it now. It does have the red oak running boards with an inlay of walnut right down here, if you can see that.
Right.
And then in the back of the truck, too, the bed of the truck is the red oak. Yeah, it's really beautiful. We're here at the car show every Saturday. We have so much fun. You can't imagine all the vehicles that are down here. You just can't help but smile. Come on down and join us next Saturday, 7 o'clock until about 10. Thank you.